Guys, welcome to Car Hunters, welcome to another vlog. Today we have with us the most amazing and the most loved SUV of 2019 and 20, which is the Kia Seltos. Today we would be reviewing the car and we would be putting up for sale. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's go ahead. First, let's talk about size. The Kia Seltos is marginally longer and wider, but also slightly lower than the Hyundai Creta. By extension, this Seltos is more on the Nissan Kicks Renault Duster side of mid-size SUV field. However, when compared to the Tata Harrier, MG Hector and Mahindra XUV500, those are much larger models. So to start off with, the Tiger Nose grille, large headlamps and the stylish bumper give this Seltos a distinctive face, and what makes the look even more special is the level of detailing. The chrome surround for the grille, for instance, sports a very premium effect. Equally special is the lighting. The full LED headlights, the streak-like LED indicators and the ice cube fog lamps are brilliantly done. And there's also an LED strip that runs from the headlight to the snout, accentuating the Kia's width. I personally love it so much. So when it comes to the profile of the tires, this Seltos looks well balanced and stand confident on its 17-inch wheelbase. So let us go to the rear side. While walking to the rear side, we'll see some chrome treatment on the window and on the door handles. So here we are at the rear profile of this car. This Kia Seltos tail is neatly done as well. Once this tail light LED signature helps identify the Seltos from a distance, while the rear bumper with the scuff plate brings in the necessary dose of ruggedness. Inside the interior and check the interior of this Seltos. So first thing first, this Kia Seltos cabin sits at a convenient height, so getting in and out of it is a breeze. And what helps to become instantly comfortable in the Kia is the good view out. Once settled on the comfortable front seats, you are sure to appreciate the sheer level of quality in the interior. Forget rivals, the Seltos cabin quality is up there and that of far pricier European cars. Fit and finish is excellent, and there are enough quality bits to make you feel you have more than your money's worth. The leather seats are rich in look and the flat bottom steering is great to hold. Even the larger panel on the doors and the dashboard feel built to last, and there is a richness to the smaller controls too. Much in line with the latest trends, Kia needs dashboard positions and the infotainment system high up in the driver line of sight. There is also a 10.25 inch of touchscreen. This touchscreen is slick, well laid out and handily offers a split screen mode, so you can access two functions at the same time. This touchscreen is your go-to control for most of the functions, but the passenger might find the screen-based volume controls cumbersome to use as it is far. Drivers, however, can operate the basics via steering-mounted buttons, and as I was quite impressed by the voice-activated functions too. The retractable screen displays speeds and the navigation details and minimizes the need for drivers to take their eyes off road. Let's go to the rear side of the seats and see what we have over there. So going towards the rear side, here we are opening the door. So let us go inside. The passengers at the back have it rather nice as well. Sure, legroom is down on larger models like Harrier and Hector, but you really can't complain about the space on offer. It's up on like size models like the Hyundai Creta. There's also reasonable headroom at the back and enough width for 3 people to sit in comfort. A near flat floor makes life that is nicer for the middle passenger. Let us open the engine bay and see what it is. Open the engine bay. So it is not a hydraulic controlled one. As you can see, the engine is a bit dirty because of lockdown. We couldn't service the car, but when it comes to the engine, let us talk about the engine. This Seltos uses a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine which put out a reasonable 115 horsepower and 144 Newton meter of torque. And while Kia has the needs of the performance oriented buyers covered with this 1.5 unit, it is all about the easygoing nature and relaxed driving experience. Right from the moment you start the engine, it is refined and runs quietly at the low to mid revs. It's only in the upper reaches of the power band that it feels strained and the noise is intrusive. Off the line, power delivery is smooth and the engine is very responsive to the slightest of the throttle inputs. It doesn't have a mid-range punch, but it doesn't feel gutless either like many naturally aspirated engines. Beyond 4000 RPM, the engine starts running out of breath, although its revs are all the way till 6500 RPM. That's very little performance to be extracted at the top end. Let us go and sit inside the car and see what it is. To the car, we should take a look at the boot space also. Here there is a parking camera, rear view camera. Here we are opening the boot space for you, and here the boot opens. It is a decent 433 liter boot space. It's very nice. Comes with a spare wheel also. Here take a look at the spare wheel. So here we are done with the boot. Let's go inside and take a look at the features of this car. Here we are sitting inside the Kia Seltos. This is the remote of the car. Comes with Kia badging. Here there are 4 buttons to lock the car, to unlock the car, to open the boot, and this is like an auto cop. So you don't need to put this anywhere to start the car. Just keep it near you and you press the clutch. Here is a engine start stop button and the engine comes to life. It is a very refined engine. Comes with zero sound. There is zero noise in the cabin. Trust me when I say that. Coming to the air conditioning system, this is a climate controlled AC. This is a very nice air conditioning system, very powerful. When it comes to it, this is electronically handled. The main thing which captures my mind is this screen, which is 10.25 inch screen. It comes with a lot of features, which is Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, a lot of media options in this. Comes with radio, navigation and all. So here, coming to the mirror of the car, here there are a few emergency contacts. If you press these buttons, it will directly call the Kia helpline and they will come to help you. So coming towards the cabin feels really nice and rich. It's equipped with a lot of hard plastic over here. I like how attention to detail Kia has made to this car. You see the texture of the speakers which are given over here. It's very nice when it comes to the looks. See the texture of the leather seats over here. It's very nice. So coming towards the steering of the car, this is the steering of the car. It is a very nice steering, feels very premium, comes with design. You see Seltos badging over here. So this steering is very nice, comes with a lot of steering mounted controls. You can see a cruise control button over here, comes with cruise control as well. Here are a few buttons. This is for the voice recognition, this is to increase the volume and all. This is all for the call and all, mobile connectivity basically. This comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. As you can see, this is a 6-speed manual transmission. Coming towards the instrument cluster, here is the tachometer. This is the temperature gauge of the car. There is a small digital display in the car. Here is the speedometer, which comes up to 240 km per hour. Here is the fuel gauge as well. These are a few control to turn on the headlights, and these are the control of wipers, as you can see. So the cabin feels very nice and luxurious. Yes, it has a lot of hard plastic materials, but it keeps cost covered. So let us go for a drive in this car. The car doesn't come with a sun moon roof, as you can check. This doesn't have a sunroof. So let us go for a drive in this car and we'll let you know how this car performs. Drive in this Kia Seltos. It is a manual one. Let us put it into the first gear, and here the car goes. As you can see, the engine is very nice with respect to a 1.5 liter engine. 114 bhp, performs very well on this engine. However, what I like about this car is the braking of the car. The brakes are really good and very efficient. The motor is very smooth. I can barely hear any noise in this car. As we are into the third gear, the car performs really well on the mid-range, on the mid-revs of the car. And the steering is a breeze for all the car lovers. As you can see, we'll check out the suspension of the car. suspension are very nice. It gives me a feel of driving a proper SUV. It's like driving a full size SUV when you're sitting inside the car. It doesn't feel like you are driving a mid-range SUV. The car is very nice when it comes to the handling as well. Very nice and gives me a very good feel. Overall, this is a very pleasurable drive when it comes to it. Here we have a view button, so you get to see the things which are coming ahead. Basically, this car is very nice. No wonder why people are crazy about it and people are mad about this car, and there are long waiting in the Kia company for this car. But this car surely deserves it when it comes to the exterior, interior and the performance of the car. This car is a very nice car. I am absolutely in love with this car. Maintenance also, this car is not a high maintenance at all. It's a very convenient car to use, and it's very nice car to use. So whoever is interested in this car can give us a heads up in the comment section and contact us through the profile. We will be happy to help. This was all about the Kia Seltos. I am absolutely in love with the car. The car is very nice, performs really very nice. When it comes to the exterior and interior of the car is amazing and phenomenal in all the aspects. There is nothing that I dislike about this car. This car is up for sale with us. Whoever is interested can please contact us through YouTube, can comment on the channel. Guys, if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram at shifa.motors. Thank you so much. We will be back soon with another vlog. Thank you.